Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a Coconut app review. Let's begin. So before we continue with anything else, we should be asking ourselves, what is the Coconut app? Coconut AI Note Taker is a powerful tool designed to help professionals and students streamline their workflow by automating meeting notes. Here's how it works and why it's a game changer. Once you sign up and integrated with your preferred platforms such as Zoom, Google Meets, or Microsoft Teams, Coconut AI automatically joins your meetings as a participant. During the sessions, it records, transcribes, and organizes the conversation in real time. This means you can focus entirely on the discussion without worrying about missing important details. After the meeting, Coconut AI generates a detailed summary highlighting key points like action items, decisions, and deadlines. You can customize these outputs to match your specific needs, making follow-ups and task management a breeze. The notes are stored securely on the platform, so you can revisit them anytime, share with your team, or sync them with productivity tools like Slack or Notion. One standout feature is its AI-driven ability to recognize context, ensuring accurate transcriptions even for technical jargon or industry-specific terms. You also have the option to train the AI for better personalization over time. Using Coconut AI saves time, reduces manual work, and ensures you never miss critical insights from your meetings. It's ideal for professionals juggling multiple meetings or students managing group projects. With Coconut AI Note Taker, you can work smarter, not harder, and focus on what truly matters, your productivity. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.